Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system. Then let's tap on backup, and here let's tap on turn on. Now tap on next and tap on add account. Basically make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's totally up to you. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it quickly. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Sorry. Here we can decide who's going to use this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. And here finally we've got the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Alright, so we have to be patient. Alright, now we can tap on the account which we've just added, and now we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up. So photos and videos, or other device data, or both. It's totally up to you, we can mark both. I'll pick only this one and tap on confirm. And as you can see, here we've got this information that now our data is automatically backed up to the Google account. Here we can check the backup details, so basically what kind of data we will back up, so other device data in my case. And as you can see, everything is set up. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.